very slippery driving. It's snowing. It's already like 7-8 inches already. And right now traffic is not so bad because it's not even rush hour yet. A few more hours will be rush hour and this will be crazy. We're in March and we have another snowstorm. It's been the worst winter in over 60 years in New York City. In 2 weeks we're supposed to be entering springtime. Yeah, right. This weather no more. And to top it all, because we got so many snowstorms in this winter, the streets are destroyed between the salt and the snow plows. They have destroyed the cities. You cannot even drive without hitting 10 bumps in less than 2 blocks. Potholes, I meant. Look at this. Whoever likes the snow, you could have it all. Because I'm sick of it. Actually today, now we're going to be passing by LaGuardia Airport. There was an airplane accident. A Delta airplane smashed into the fence because it slid on the road, on the runway actually. Oh, thank you, my neighbor car driver. Like I was saying, a Delta plane slid against the fence. I didn't really follow the story a lot, but I seen ambulances. It was like over 20 ambulances. Scary and dangerous. You can't even see much. That's how bad the visibility is. The only thing I can tell you, we're driving on the Grand Central Parkway. We are by the LaGuardia Airport to the right. You cannot even see anything because obviously visibility is terrible. Oh well, at least you got a little reality video of a March day in New York City. Well, it's not always like this. This has been a nasty winter. Nasty. There it is. Probably can see a little bit of LaGuardia Airport, but I'm not sure how much, because I could barely see myself. Okie dokie.